Hello, my friends. Have you ever wondered why mackerel is one of the most popular fish in the world? Mackerel has become an important food source in human life. In addition, it creates significant economic value. Please join us to discover how fishermen catch and process thousands of mackerel every day. Pacific mackerel is an abundant fish that lives in open waters in many coastal areas of the Pacific Ocean. For example, in the eastern Pacific, they are found from Alaska to central Mexico, along with Panama to southern Chile. They typically occur within 20 miles of coastline, from the surface to depths of 1,000 ft, 300 millimoles. They can migrate when the seasons change. Adult mackerel are commonly found around shallow banks, while juveniles are found in open bays, kelp beds, and off sandy beaches. The body of the Pacific mackerel tapers at both ends. The back of the body is dark green with dark wavy lines. Some small fins are visible near the tail. Pacific mackerel often hang out with other pelagics, such as Pacific sardines. They go to school as a way to defend themselves against predators. They tend to stay near the bottom during the day and move up to open water at night to feed on small organisms. Adult and juvenile fish eat things like small fish, fish larvae, krill, and crustaceans. They can grow up to 25 inches, 64 meters long, but are usually much smaller. They mature when they are 1 to 4 years old. They reproduce in waves, with larger females laying the most eggs. One fish can release more than 100,000 eggs into the water. Eggs usually hatch within 4 to 5 days. Large fish are said to live up to 14 years. Many large fish, such as sharks and tuna, along with marine mammals and seabirds, eat Pacific mackerel. Pacific mackerel are caught commercially for consumption, often along with sardines as bait. Now let's see how fishermen catch thousands of mackerel. Mackerel fishing has long been a traditional profession for many fishermen around the world. This job provides a stable source of income and supports their families. Many people have become rich thanks to this job. In addition, commercial mackerel fishing also helps the economy grow and develop rapidly. To have an effective day of harvesting fish, fishermen must go to sea early in the morning while darkness still covers them. Most of these fish often live offshore in ocean waters, so fishermen have to travel long distances to reach them. They must carefully and fully prepare fishing tools and especially food to lure them. Mackerel often eat fish larvae and small fish. This is their favorite food and can be used as bait when netting. To catch a large number of mackerel, fishermen use specialized fishing nets. The net is connected to an automatic vertical line system. On the net, there are hooks, and the fisherman will hook fish food onto it before the net is brought into the sea. A very important thing that affects the fishing results that day is to determine the location where the mackerel lives. Usually in places with deep water, clear water, and cool temperatures. Now they just need to drop the net and wait for a while for the fish to get into the net and get stuck in it. The fishing boat will move so that the released net forms a circle. Each time they cast their nets like this, fishermen can collect thousands of mackerel, most of which they take to processing factories or are bought by traders. How do people use machines to process thousands of tuna every day? Let's continue watching the video to explore this wonderful technology. After being pulled onto the ship, mackerel will be preserved on deck to maintain the freshness of the fish meat. Trucks filled with fish go into the port one after another, where the mackerel is neatly arranged by skillful hands into boxes to be transported to the processing factory. In the factory, workers need to disinfect clothes, wash hands, wear hats and masks to maintain food hygiene and safety. Unprocessed mackerel are stored in a frozen room. Workers take them out and pour them into water to defrost the fish. After the mackerel have separated, they are picked up and brought to the table. Skilled workers use their skillful hands to separate each piece of fish meat from the spine and head. The meat and fish head are kept separately to serve different purposes. They also used forceps to pull out each broken bone until the meat was completely clean and there was no longer any bone attached to it. The fish meat is washed with ice water, then put on a salt tray and then washed again with ice water. We are not sure what the process means, but maybe it is a way to keep the meat fresh. Fish can be preserved longer, while still retaining the flavor of the sea. Then the fish meat pieces are carefully packaged and put in a cold room before being delivered to supermarkets or stores. Mackerel meat is a combination of vitamins and minerals that are good for the human body. The meat is rich in vitamins A, D, magnesium and zinc, phosphorus, calcium, rich in nutrients and energy. In addition, mackerel is also a good food for the brain, helping the brain develop comprehensively. For older people, mackerel meat helps improve cardiovascular health, stabilize blood pressure, support the digestive system, help you eat better and strengthen bones. Mackerel can be made into many attractive dishes, such as grilled, fried, tomato sauce, garlic butter, or even sashimi. Because it has many benefits for human health, diverse processing methods, and most importantly, the price of mackerel is not expensive. Housewives add it to their daily diet to improve their health. Quality meals for the family. Do you love dishes made from mackerel? Please leave your opinion in our comments section. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope the above information is useful to you. Remember to subscribe and press the bell button here to receive our latest and useful videos. And watch this video with me.